In this video, we will see how to block multiple contacts at one go on your iPhone. Because blocking each contact one by one is a long process and hectic one. But after iOS 26, you can do it in a single go. So for that, do one thing, make sure that you install iOS 26 on your iPhone. Once you have it, now the next step, go to setting and here scroll down and open privacy and security. Open that, scroll down and here is a separate option given to you as a blocked contact. Open that. Once you open it, here are multiple options given to you like spam contacts, like multiple one which already blocked. Also the contacts which are blocked earlier, also to block the new contact. Just go ahead, tap on plus icon and here add multiple contacts in the tab and just click on done. So in single go, all these multiple contacts will be blocked on your iPhone at the same time. So guys, that's a trick, easy way and simple way. I hope you like this. Please comment below if yes. Also like the video and subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video.